Namaste, hello, and welcome to the Swayambhu family. I am Sharmila, a psychotherapist and counselor by profession. In my last video, I had spoken how to love your boss, love thy boss. Okay, you may say, love thy boss, everything is fine, ma'am, but sometimes we are so frustrated with our boss, we don't know what to do and how do we overcome. We think, we use our brains, we choose our emotions, everything fine. Awareness, thoughts, emotions. But sometimes we are so frustrated, we don't know how to remove that frustration. Okay, sometimes we say you can share with somebody, you can talk with somebody, but there may be some issues which we can't talk to anyone. So what do we do at that time? Can we come and bring all that frustration home and remove that frustration on our family? It may be our parents or wife or children. Can we do that? So how do we overcome this frustration? What should we do? So there are a few things which you can do. Now the one thing what you can do is just put up a mental image of your boss. Make him like a cartoon. Usko ulta latkao. So you may have a picture of your boss. So think that वो उल्टा लटक रहा है, is just upside down, and you, whatever your frustration is there, you are just talking to him like, yes, you can boss over us, you can do this, you can do that. You can remove your frustration like that. But mind it, don't prolong it or don't take it over the board, because then what will happen is you will not have control over this. So always have a span of 1 or 2 minutes, not more, and then stop it, because this is you're removing your frustration. Don't make that as a habit. So whenever you are in your excess range of frustration, that you have come to that 100% where you can't tolerate more, at that time you just think like, okay, I find this person, ye ulta latak raha hai, he is hanging upside down, and then I'm playing with him. At times you can play the Tom and Jerry game, where sometimes Tom wins, that is you win, or Jerry wins, sometimes the boss wins. So here and there you can play, you can laugh it over, you can visualize things. You can visualize these things where your boss wins sometimes and he says, wow, you have done a very good thing, I won. And sometimes when you say, okay boss, I won. So here you just play with your visualization process, with your imagination. You are just removing your frustration. So at times, sometimes in your office, your boss might have just scolded you, are such a foolish fellow and all those. So immediately put a new mental movie saying that, oh, my boss has praised me, and what praises? Oh, you are efficient, you are intelligent, you are wise. Put up all those words in you and feel the emotions becoming better and better. Always when you make a mental movie, see that there is some comedy involved, where you start smiling from the inside. Okay, negative mental pictures will not serve you in any way. Always see, your mind will take you to a negative mental picture. No, the boss is like that, and then your mind will start putting up many negative pictures inside you. So instead of that, you just put up a picture like, suppose I go on with my negative mental picture, what will happen is I will put my self image down. I will put my self-image down, plus I'll be inviting unwelcome guests to me. The lifestyle diseases, high blood pressures, because with stress, anxiety, anger, when you make so many mental movies, especially of your workplace where you are not happy, and you make such negative mental movies, you are inviting this unwelcome guest. You are injecting a dose of poison. That poison is the stress poison which goes inside, and because of that there are many lifestyle diseases. So to overcome all that, you are giving away, you are channelizing your frustration by making mental movies which are funny mental movies. And remember, you have a problem with your boss now, but then in the future you will also become a boss. You don't know what are the pressures your boss is undergoing. So also understand your boss in his perspective. What is the pressure that my boss is undergoing? So if you understand this also, your frustration level will come down. So if you think that who knows what he is undergoing, what is the pressure he is having from his boss, what are his personal problems, what are the issues that are going on inside his mind, am I taking everything from, I am seeing from my angle? My boss may just want me to work better, but instead of seeing that, I am just trying to see that where my boss is putting me down, I am seeing it in my perspective. I am not seeing according to the boss's perspective. So look into all these matters. When your boss says something, are you listening, totally giving your full concentration, or are you only trying to listen to those things where you can defend yourself? So are you doing all these things? Just check in. Sometimes we have to have a recheck within ourselves whether we are right, whether our perspective is right, whether we are communicating properly. All these things have to be taken into account. You just can't accuse people. See, conflicts come in workplace, but for that, should you be frustrated throughout? Should you be angry? Should you feel like going and fighting with your boss and saying all sorts of no nonsense words like you dumb head, you pig head, and all that? Is it necessary? No. You just have to change your perspective and understand the person who is in front of you is your boss. Tomorrow, you too are going to become a boss. You too might become a team head, team lead, a GM. So at that time, as a boss, what are you going to do? So you have to learn from your experiences. Okay, when you are frustrated, I have given you some things which you can use and remove that frustration. But apart from that, understand the other person and see what are the emotions that are going inside you. Are you behaving in that same manner? What are your emotions that are coming up? So please check into all this, understand, and always remember, if you are in this position today, tomorrow you will be the boss. And when you are the boss, what are you going to do when you face such situations? So I'll be coming up with another video on when you are the boss, how do you face when such situations arise. So before I say bye bye, I will ask you to please subscribe, share and like my video. So meet you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, stay happy and take care. Namaste.